Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sauerkraut soup, step by step. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of potatoes, 2 medium carrots, and 2 small onions. For the star of the show, grab a 28-ounce can or jar of drained sauerkraut. We'll also use 4 cups of flavorful beef or chicken broth, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of paprika to build our wonderful soup. Now, let's build the foundational flavors for our soup. Begin by dicing your potatoes and carrots into roughly 1-inch pieces, and finely chop your 2 small onions. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté them until they are soft and translucent. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar and continue cooking until the onions achieve a lovely golden brown color, enhancing their sweetness. With our flavor base established, it's time to bring everything together. Add the drained sauerkraut and 1 tablespoon of paprika to the pot, stirring well to combine for a few minutes. Next, pour in the 4 cups of beef or chicken broth. Now, add your diced potatoes and carrots. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Our sauerkraut soup is almost ready. Now is the perfect time to taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. For an extra layer of traditional flavor, you might consider adding a bay leaf or about 1/2 teaspoon of crushed caraway seeds during the simmer, removing the bay leaf before serving. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and, for a creamy finish, add a dollop of sour cream or crème fraiche. Serve it alongside some crusty bread for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.